I was supposed to vlog this, and I forgot my camera. But I brought my camera bag with a lens, tripod, some accessories. No camera though. So this is the vlog. This is John Tran. Fun fact: I went on my first mission with him.
Laos.
Did you mix it? Did you mix it?
I did. What do you taste then? What is that? Just plus soda.
Baby.
I feel like all I taste is rum.
Babe, you just a lightweight, babe. You a lightweight.
I got drunk the other day off a Bud Light Platinum.
Oh my god. So I drank probably a little too much. That's why there was no vlog yesterday. It was good because I needed some time to like edit a little bit more of my Laos mission, my Laos trip, so I could continue telling you guys the story. So I showed you what we do every day. We go up the mountain and we dig and we screen our asses off. So let me show you when we're not doing that. For example, if it rains.
I'm just gonna tear the trail up. I don't see any point. And as soon as you got your boots caked with mud, you can't move around on that site. I'll go up mid-morning and take a look at stuff maybe, but I think that there's no point in us running up there just to tell you what I already know.
It's a rain, what do we call this? Rain day off or rain canceled? I don't know. Still too early. Alright, I'm here to help.
You just go underneath him and then push on. Get him. Ah! Quick! Oh, now we don't know where he's at. Let me see the predator. He's in aerosol on a lighter. There it is.
Oh,
there
God.
It is.
Oh, Jesus! Airborne!
Oh, no. There it is. He's so... Oh, it's under your box now. Yeah, dude.
Because of the day off, we decided to have like a family feast dinner and really enjoy that evening. Have a good time. It's a good team. It was a really good team to do all that with.
Dude, you can't see through this screen. Dude, it went off. Did you turn it on?
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Is it recording? It says rec. It hears my voice.
Little baby bananas. Grow up.
Wipe my face.
Say hi. Hi. This is video. No, you're in it. It's a video.
It's a video. You're in
Wing
it.
sauce all over my face.
Yep.
Nerd. I'm in the AV club.
That's it.
What are you doing? Get some food.
I don't think I want this.
Don't get it then. Get over there.
Yeah, give me that.
Which one? This one?
I don't know. They're all the same. Alright, give me some French fries. What is that? All fried rice. Yeah, there is. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on, man.
This thing is not made for grabbing. It's grabbing.
What's that fire line? Brush it.
No, it's in here.
No, it's still whole.
It's flapping around in there.
Hey, we need it quiet so we can hear the.
No, I just need to give it a hit.
Terrible.
Okay. Turn the music off.
Hold on. Pause that.
I got it.
Turn the music
Oh, he's still flapping.
Oh God! It went off. Fuck yeah, dude! Fuck yeah! You're a maniac! Watch this come through. Dude, what a badass! Survival.
Where's the medic?
You'll be fine, dude. They don't even give a fuck. Jokes on that. He ain't even blinking an eye.
Just realized we didn't really do a tour of our place.